So if your F-150 camera is doing this, it means you probably need a new camera. From what I have researched, as you can see, there's no lines. The image is actually backwards because that car right there is actually on this side, is on the left side of me. So I'm gonna put a new camera in today. Let's see. Part number you'll need is this right here, BLZ3Z TAC 19G490 TAC B. I got this off eBay. It was a fire sale on them. It was $139. However, that's the cheapest one I found. If you go to Ford, they're gonna ask for $400 to $500. So I recommend waiting till one of these comes up. I've tried to go to junkyards and I could not find any because they want to give the whole tailgate away with the camera assembly. So this is gonna be the hard part, is finding this. So, all right. Alright, so when you start this project, you gotta remove the Ford emblem, obviously. And Ford was lovely enough to make it that when you remove this emblem, these tabs right here are going to break. There's no way around it. I have epoxied these back together because this is a like $35 part from Ford. You know, because Ford is just absolutely horrible, and I drive one and I'll never own one again. But you're gonna have two screws right here. These are 9/32. So let me take this off real quick and you can see what's behind here. Alright, so when you pull it off, obviously be careful. It's gonna be kind of rough. There's tabs back here you don't want to break. I believe this is the right one. For those of you that love American-made trucks, I just want to show you this. This is not American-made. It's made in Canada, by the way. Okay, so there's no tabs, but here is the camera assembly right here. Got these star screws here. There's 3 of them. It's gonna lock this thing down. You're gonna pull this tab right here. Just push that and pull it. Let me do it real quick. Alright, so it's a little easy for me because I've already taken this camera out once. But there's the star screws there. Check your harness, make sure it's not frayed or anything like that, or you know, wires arcing anywhere. That does happen sometimes, but there it is. Let me take this out and put the new one in. Okay, so I didn't have the star. I have them, I just don't know where they're at. So I used an Allen key instead. It's an 1/8 of an inch Allen key. If you don't have that star bit, then you can use that as well and it'll come out. And then this should just pull out like that. And there you go. You have your camera assembly. Now the camera I got, obviously, is going to sit in that housing. You just pull the other one out. I believe you have tabs. There's a tab right here that you have to pull out, and once you pull that tab out, it'll remove it from the housing. Alright, so it's all buttoned back together. I'm gonna wait to put this back on because I'm sure with my luck this isn't gonna work, but let's go see before we put the cover back on. Moment of truth. Sweet. Looks like the backup lines got bigger too. Now, what I was having in really hot days, it would work on the first attempt. On the second time, it would strobe and do what I showed you earlier. So let's see if it still goes. Yep. Looks like it's working. Sweet. So if you like this video, please give it a like. Subscribe if you will. I don't really post much, but there's more videos to come. Thanks.